To buy stocks on Wealthfront, you need to start by opening a Wealthfront account if you do not already have one. Wealthfront is a robo-advisor that offers a range of investment products, including stock trading. Once you have created your account, you will need to fund it with money to invest. You can do this by linking your bank account to your Wealthfront account and transferring funds. After your account is funded, you can begin the process of buying stocks. Wealthfront offers a range of investment portfolios, including those that track the overall stock market, as well as those that focus on specific sectors or asset classes. You can choose to invest in a pre-built portfolio or create your own custom portfolio. To buy individual stocks, you will need to use Wealthfront's trading platform. This platform allows you to search for and select the stocks you want to buy, and to place trades. You can also set up a recurring investment to automatically buy stocks at regular intervals. One key concept to understand when buying stocks on Wealthfront is diversification. This means spreading your investments across a range of different asset classes and sectors to minimize risk. Wealthfront's pre-built portfolios are designed to be diversified, but if you are creating your own custom portfolio, you will need to make sure to diversify your investments. Another important concept is dollar cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. This can help to reduce the impact of market volatility on your investments. Wealthfront's recurring investment feature makes it easy to implement a dollar cost averaging strategy. In terms of best practices, it is a good idea to have a long-term perspective when investing in stocks. This means being prepared to hold onto your investments for at least 5 years, and not getting caught up in short-term market fluctuations. It is also a good idea to educate yourself about the stocks you are investing in, and to keep an eye on your portfolio's performance over time. Overall, buying stocks on Wealthfront is a relatively straightforward process. By following these steps and keeping in mind key concepts like diversification and dollar cost averaging, you can make informed investment decisions and work towards your long-term financial goals.